Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this is a robotic cushion massage. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. I'm on a chair. So we will give this thing a go and see how it massages me. Let's open this up, see what's inside here. So it looks like we've got a few things. Everything in here is out now. So we have a power adapter regular. We have one for the car too, so I can put this in my car and get myself a massage as I'm driving down the street. Actually sounds kind of nice. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, the twist tie is not coming off. I'm gonna break it off. Okay, so here we go. It's got a nice decent sized cord. Plug it in here. Okay, so that is plugged in. And then here should be the massaging cushion. This up here. And here's some instructions for it. And here is the cushion pad. And so it's got the wire here, which will plug in. It looks like, what is this here? Is this, it's the control panel. And it comes sectioned off in there. And I guess this is gonna be the, connected onto to the chair. So you can probably strap it around your seat with this and this. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap it around my chair. There's that. There's this weird pillow thing here, but I'll put it over it. And then here is the seat. Okay, so this is how it is. So I'm sitting on it now, and it's not doing anything. It's not plugged in. Okay. Okay, I'm plugged in now. And now let me get out the little controller. And whoa. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a thumping. It's thumping all over the whole place on here. So let's see. I can change the intensities. So there it is, low. Let's see, what other options do I have on here? I have a little plastic thing I can peel off of it here. Let's peel off the little cover. If I can get it off. I always have the hardest time taking off these little plastic things there. Okay, so here we go. So here's our settings. I definitely feel it thumping all over. Yeah, I don't even know where it's coming from. It's all over the place. Let's see, so we have function. Ooh. Okay, now I feel it. It goes here, here, but there's three zones, I guess, that it's getting me at here. 3 zones, and then now it's off at the same time. And now, okay, and now it's just the top zone. Now it's just my middle zone. Oh, and now it's changing my middle zone. Oh, now it's my butt. So we have a bunch of different options here. There's all these different functions. And then let's see, intensity. It looks like we have 3 intensities, and then we have heat, so we can either have heat on or off. Okay, woo. As I'm massaging myself, it's got a bit of a noise, so I'm not gonna say it's the quietest massager in the world, especially now that I have it on high, because, of course I need a full bore. But here we go, so here's our different buttons here. It tells you the mode button. The switch button turns it on and off. I guess that was the on-off button. Yep, now it's off. And then it looks like it returns to where you were at the last time when I turned it back on. And then we can fix time button, strength button, and set it there. So you got all that. So it's got tapping, kneading, vibration, and magnetic curative effect. So it's pretty cool. It feels good. I'll keep this on here. Yeah, I mean, I like this. I don't know, can you see it doing anything? Bouncing a little bit. I can't see it doing too much, but it feels good. I mean, so this would be good. So if I'm sitting here working on my computer, editing videos or doing something like that, and I just need a little back break or something like that, or if I've gone for a run and I just want to relax a little, this thing will do it. This is nice. I'm not sure I would use it in the car, but maybe. Might want to give it a try. I guess if you're doing a long road trip or something and you need a good butt massage, you can just hit that function. Ooh, that's where it's switching all between them. But yeah, you can do that. So just lots of different options. Cool massager, I like it. Thumbs up.